What's up, guys? It's Jakar. I got Trin downstairs, guys. I'm about to get ready to do the bird poop prank on her. Make sure you guys give us 500 likes. Make sure you guys share this. Yo, so I'm gonna make her think that bird is pooping on her. Yo, guys, check this out right now.
God.
Oh my God, what happened?
A bird pooped on me. I almost got hit in the hair. I swear I felt something.
Let me see. Let me see if it's something on you.
In my hair.
Let me see. Oh, it's something right there. Hold on. Let me taste it.
Ugh, that's gross.
It tastes so good. You want to taste it? It's Mayo. I got you. Got a prank. Look.
You better not put that in your